In this video, I will talk about how to utilize price action methods for analyzing markets like Bitcoin, gold, and Solana. My strategy at this chapter comprises from two main parts. First one is to define the latest and current trend that is so practical in simplifying decision making and enhancing risk management. Second part is to draw supply and demand zones that are so useful in all markets. These two strategies are so functional in recognizing the best entry and exit points, and this will help to increase probabilities of success. The first chart that I'm going to talk about is Bitcoin chart. And as I mentioned earlier, my strategy comprises from two main parts, which are defining the trend of market and also drawing the supply and demand zones. And at first, my strategy include changing the time frame from daily to weekly. And my reason for changing the time frame to weekly is uh, a weekly time frame is so practical because it includes less complexity and also there is less price fluctuation when you use weekly time frame. And also in weekly time frame there is a less noise and it shows longer term and better perspectives. And we can see that when we check it from this point, which is from 16th of October till now, there was a long and sharp increase, and after a sharp increase, there was a less decrease. And let me zoom in the chart. You can see that at this area there was a consolidation and then it changes the trend from consolidation to uptrend. And if we look at this closer, we can see this is like a flag sign, and flag sign most of the time tells us that the next move of the chart is to increase the price. And also we can see that, for example, at this point, there was a consolidation area and there wasn't any specific trend, no uptrend, no downtrend, and the price ranges from, for example, $72,000 to $49,000. And if we look more meticulously, we can see that there was some high momentum candles here, and after that, there was a little decrease in the price of the Bitcoin market. And if we want to define the trend, and as I mentioned in my previous videos, trends are three types: uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation area. Uptrend means that in the chart there is a higher highs and higher lows, and downtrend means that in the chart there is a lower highs and lower lows. And also consolidation area means that there isn't any specific trend at the given time. For example, in this time, which is from February to uh, October, there wasn't any specific trend in the market, and after that, there was a spike and sharp increase in the price of the market, and it goes up, 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 and it touches the $108,000, and after that there wasn't any buyer for the market, and then the price decreased. And also, if we want to define the trend of market, at first from this point, which is September till December there was a sharp uptrend, and after that you can see that the price decreased from approximately $108,000 to $88,000, and there was a little decrease in the price of market. So this chart, let me use the arrow. Uh, this chart is comprised from two main trend. At first it was a uptrend, and let me change the color to green. At first it was an uptrend, and then it touches the peak. It alters the trend from uptrend to downtrend, and let me use the arrow, and this is a downtrend. So the latest trend of this market is downtrend, which happened from December till now. And also, if you want to uh, draw the supply and demand zone, let me erase these arrows again. If we want to draw the supply and demand zone, we can see that at this area, approximately about $60,000 till $73,000. You can see that there is a consolidation area and a lot of range and a lot of candles. And in this case, I'd rather to change the time frame from weekly to daily. And in daily, we can see that in our latest uh, trades, which is from 25th November till now, which is 13th of January. This is approximately our demand zone. Demand zone means that whenever the market touches the demand zone, there is some buyers. Oh, there is some buyers that they want to buy at this point. Let me use the horizontal line. This is approximately our demand zone, and at this point this is so attractive price for buyers, and whenever the market sees this line, buyers are so enthusiastic about buying the share of Bitcoin. And also we can see that, let me use once again, this is approximately the support, this is the supply zone, and whenever the market touches this line, it means that buyers are not so interested in buying anymore, and most of traders want to uh, sell their shares. You can see that if I zoom out this is approximately the supply and demand zones of Bitcoin in last 3 months, and we can see that there was such a great consolidation area here, and at sometimes the buyers were so strong and they wanted to increase the price uh, more than $108, $8,000, but they couldn't be successful and they couldn't accomplish their mission in increasing the price, and at the end they weren't successful. The second market that I'm going to talk about is Solana. At first, as I mentioned earlier, I will change the time frame from daily to weekly, because weekly time frame includes less complexity and price fluctuation, and also weekly time frame shows better long-term perspective. And we can see in the weekly time frame, at first, from September till December, there was an uptrend, and the price increased from approximately $120 till approximately $265. It means that uh, there was about 100% increase in the price of Solana in just a couple of months, and after that there was a downtrend and the price decreased from approximately 265 till 170. And let me use my arrow to show you. Well, at first there was uptrend, and let me change the color to green, and then there was a downtrend, and also we can call it breakout. We can use Fibonacci if you want to be sure about it is a breakout or not, and I will talk about Fibonacci technique in my later video. And so now we can use daily time frame if you want to get approval if it is uh, downtrend or not, because you can see in the weekly time frame that it is a downtrend. And for more approval, let me erase these arrows. I will change the weekly time frame to daily time frame, and we can see that in daily time frame, this is 23rd November till now, we can see that this is downtrend because it is compromised from lower lows and lower highs. So the latest trend of Solana is downtrend 100%. And also my second part of analyzing Solana is drawing supply and demand zone. And as we can see, let me zoom this out. The price was so sensitive in these areas and in this line, and whenever price came to approximately 180 in the last months, we can see that there was a strong buyers that they didn't allow the market to see the lower price, and they buy it and wanted to increase the price. So we can draw the, let me use this horizontal line. We can draw the demand zone here, and let me change the color to green to convey the proper information. And also we can see that whenever market goes up till this point, which is the price about $260, there wasn't any buyers, and the traders wanted to sell their share, and so we can call this area the supply zone. Let me use this horizontal line and change it to red to now it is so beautiful chart. And whenever the market sees these two lines, so we are so conscious about that there is going to be a long position or short position. Thanks for watching the video. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, trading is so similar to mathematics. If you want to be a professional and expert trader, you need to rehearse and practice trading daily and hourly. And you cannot be a pro just by memorizing, for example, candlestick patterns and Fibonacci technique. No, you should read and analyze each chart step by step, and try to apply all of the techniques that I have talked about in my videos, and then you will see your progress. Have a great day. Bye bye.